Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to sell digital products on Gumroad. First, you should be logged into your Gumroad account. After that, click on Dashboard. Then click on Products and click on New Product. After that, select Digital Product and name it here. Enter the product price and click on Next. After that, from this page, you can enter the product description, its custom URL, upload the cover and the thumbnail for your product page, which will appear right here, and choose the call to action button. I will choose buy this, so buy this button will appear at your product page. Also add a summary and additional details. You can play with these settings and click on save and continue. After that, from this page, you should enter or upload the content that the buyers will get after buying your digital product. For example, I'm gonna upload the wallpaper that the buyer will get, so I click on this icon here, select computer files, select this mobile wallpaper. Once it's uploaded and I'm ready to go, I click on publish and continue. And yeah, your digital product page is now ready and published. You can share it to your friends or fan base, copy its link and open it to see. And here is your product page. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.